Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. It is that time again. I've got another Sparkling Co unboxing for you. I have the I Want It All Ultimate. I did downgrade for next month to the I Want It All Original, only because the Ultimate just has large size of all the dips, and I'm running out of space. So I know I've said it the last couple months that I probably was going to downgrade. I finally did. I will still get everything. I'm still in the I Want It All category because I just can't give it up. I love the dips and the gels. I want to see all the colors. This month is amazing as always. I know I say it every month, right? So anyway, let's get into it. Show you what we got for the month. All right. So our bag for January is this really cute little drawstring backpack. Yay, isn't that cute? And it's nice because it folds up little. And I love stuff like this because I travel so much. I can throw this in my bag. It doesn't take up a ton of space, but if I need a bag to take out, I can throw everything in there. So I love that. So that is super duper cute. Awesome. Yay. All right. So let's get into the dips. I love it. I don't know if I'll ever be able to cancel my subscription because I just love opening these too much and seeing what all the colors are like. I mean, it's so exciting. Okay, so let me grab this month's, here's the card, sticker. Be fierce, be strong, rise up, shine on. So kind of girls run the world theme. So you'll see that reflected in all these amazing colors. So as I've mentioned, we do have a I Want It All exclusive dip that Christy designs just for the I Want It All members. You can only purchase it if you have an I Want It All subscription. So I'm going to show you the 4 dips that come in the Luxe bag and up. So this is them. So pretty. Just a really beautiful red. Awesome for Valentine's Day. Has red and pink in there, glitter in there with that red. And then we've got Who Run the World, which is just a really pretty, I mean, it's not rose gold, but it's kind of a gold and dark gray. And then Level Up, which is a really pretty gray with pink and red glitter. And then just a really pretty pink. It's Girl Power. Really pretty. And I don't think this is a temperature changer. Sometimes she sneaks them in there and I don't know. No, I don't think it is. So really pretty colors this month. Amazing. This light is pretty good, so hopefully you can see that. Fantastic. So those are our dips. Now the I Want It All called Slay Girl Slay. And I love this. It's like a really pretty purple. It's got some big chunky glitter in it. Just a gorgeous color. And I saw someone that did a manicure with this, all her fingers, and it looks amazing. I really want to do that, but I don't know. I always have too many ideas, too much going on. I just posted on Instagram. I was like, I have so many ideas for Valentine's Day that my head is going to explode. Really, I feel like I can't choose. How do I choose? It's a good problem to have. But, you know, difficult nonetheless. All right, so gels for this month, also very gorgeous colors. So we've got High Standards, which is just a really pretty bronze glitter. Really nice pink as well. It's a little bit lighter. I'll grab the dip pink for you so you can see the difference between the two. So a little bit lighter. Move that. It's like washing it out, that light. So this one is the gel and this one is the dip. So this is definitely lighter than the dip color is. And then really cute, my comeback on 100. Really cute, really cute. It's just kind of a clear base with all different glitters in there. So very nice gel colors. Those are going to be really fun to use. Put those out here for you. There's too much good stuff. Too much. So let me put these here. Take a nice picture at the end so you can have a look. And then the gels over here. Okay. We've got our nail polish because she just gives us everything. Gel, dip, polish. That's why it's called I Want It All, because I really do. Sorry. Pull that open. Didn't have an opening somehow. Oh, it was folded where I couldn't see it. All right, just a really pretty, kind of a mauve. It's not quite a purple, but just a really pretty sort of mauve-y color. Trying to show it in both cameras to see which one is the best. So that is our polish for the month. And as always, we get a dip liquid and a gel liquid to go with each. Now, if you order the gel bag, you'll get the gel liquid and all the gels. If you order just the dip bag or the Luxe bag, that comes with the dips and a dip liquid. So it looks like we've got some Cuticle Oil, Sparkle & Co. Their Cuticle Oil is very good, so that's exciting. And what else? What else do we have? I have to get these out of here when they're in like that. All right, and base bond. So this will be our dip liquid. Step number 2, very, very important. 2, 3, and 4 are the ones you absolutely have to have. And I know I always say, you know, she switches them out sometimes. So we got the Cuticle Oil in place of a gel base or a gel top, matte top. She kind of cycles through them because they're limited. She does throw them in here so we don't have too many. If you are going to order the any of the subscription bags, please be aware that you don't have all the liquids in one single bag. So you are going to need to order those. The fantastic thing is that they have a great referral program where you can get credit for the store, sparkleandco.com, for your subscription as well as for your first order from the store. So if you get a subscription, any of the dip bag, which is the $29.99 or up, you get a $18 referral code if you put my name, Kathy DeSoto, in the notes when you check out. So you'll get the credit, I'll get the credit for referring you. Everybody's happy. We've got tons of really cool stuff to buy there. If you don't have any dip liquids and you're ordering something with dip, so the Luxe bag, the dip bag, or any of the I Want It All bags, you're going to want to purchase your dip liquids. They have varying starter kits on her site. All of them, I'm pretty sure all of them come with 1 ounce dip of your choice. So you can choose anything from the main line, and then it'll come with varying numbers of the dip liquid. So you can get, like I said, just the basic. You need the base, which is number 2. You need a solidify, which is number 3, that hardens it. And then the number 4 is the glossy top coat. So you need those 3 minimum if you are going to be using dip powder on yourself at home. If you have dip liquids from another company, you can try them out and see how they work. Sparkle & Co. has fantastic dip liquids. I really like them. They're probably the 3rd brand I think that I've tried and my favorite so far. If you are using gels, they do have gel, base, and top coat that you can get. So when you place that first order from the store, because you have to separately order your subscription, she's going to give you and me a $9 credit when you put my name in the notes section at checkout. So fantastic referral program. Then you can go refer all your friends when you get addicted to Sparkle & Co. because they just have so many fantastic colors. I know I've told the story before about how I found them. I had been using a couple different types of dip powder companies, and they just didn't have the variety of colors and the sparkle, the bling that I was looking for. I love glitter, and so I found Sparkle & Co., and that was that. I have well over 200 Sparkle & Co. dip powder colors. That doesn't even count the gels, the nail polishes, and things like that. So I have quite the little collection. The great thing that I love about the way she does it is you can order the larger sizes, which are $18. Those are 1 ounce, and they can do usually 20 to 25 manicures from one jar. So it's quite a steal. She also has smaller mini jars, which will allow you to do 5 to 7 manicures from one jar. And she sells them in a 5-pack. So it's a really great way to expand your collection of colors without spending a ton of money, because you can get 5 ounces, or excuse me, 5 of the minis, which are, like I said, 5 to 7 manicures each. Let's just say 5 just to be on the conservative side. 25 manicures, and that 5-pack is $40. So you can see, you buy that, you buy your starter kit of the dip liquids, and get yourself a subscription, and you are on your way to having a fantastic collection of dip powders. So check out sparkleandco.com. I'll put a link down in the show notes for you. As always, please comment below if there's something you want to see specifically. I always love to hear from you. What do you like? What do you not like? I'm experimenting always with camera angles and things like that, so I hope you like those. Just want to show you, last but not least, for the Luxe and higher. So the Luxe, the I Want It All subscriptions, we do get a little surprise gift every month. And this month, I'm really excited about it. This is a hand sanitizer spray. And so you just spray it right on and sanitize. And it smells so good. Blush, which is the, they have other things with this scent. And it's delicious. It smells so good. So little hand sanitizer spray there. From Sparkle & Co. Again, follow me on Instagram at _Manny_Maniac, and hit me up in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll see you again next time on the Manny Maniac.